I want you to understand, Somalia is ancient Puanit. It is that the land where the Kemites said that they went back to visit the gods. Right now, where we are blowing up, was where Kemites sailed up happy. Up happy. Puanit is the land where Hatshepsut sent an entire fleet of people to meet with her cousin, who was the ruler of Punt. Somalia today was Punt yesterday, the land of the gods. So when we're talking about what Somalia is, if I could have caught them brothers before they got on that ship and told them, instead of shooting their brothers, they would have kissed the ground. They went back to our holy land, what Dr. Richie King calls Kui land, the land of everything and all. Consciousness came about in this area. Because please, we have to know that Africa as we know it today exists today only through 1885 and what was known as the Berlin Conference. Prior to that, Africa wasn't the nations that we see today. Somalia was related to, Punt was related to Kush, as you can see with Hatshepsut, and the queen of Punt at the time. They were related, they were cousins. That whole area was related. And we have to see this. There was a relationship between the Monomotapa Empire of South Africa and other parts of Africa. So we have got to look at this as an all-inclusive, an all-encompassing, holistic experience. But let's go back now, because I just want to say that about Somalia. Because I want you to understand what they're doing in Mogadishu. That's the Holy Land.